So this is a home page for when the students log in. Their name will be up the top. They'll have any homeworks that haven't been done yet. So if any student has things here that aren't done, they can click it and do it. And where I want to draw your attention for this bit is this part here, where we have uploaded our schema work for students. So this is for the higher tier. Some people say for the foundation tier. And if students click onto that, then they'll see the topics that we have put in the order that we are teaching them. So year 10, the autumn first half term, this is the second half term, Christmas, so January, February time, currently now March and April, and then we go into the summer exams, and of course the rest of it for year 11 is there, okay? So at any point, and certainly for revision, if they're unsure on something, they can go in and find it, okay? So right now, if they are finding the algebra work tricky on quadratic equations and simultaneous equations, they can find this bit here and click it, okay? It'll explain at the top just what this part of the scheme work covers. And then they can just scroll down and they can see various bits, okay? Simultaneous equations here, for instance, the work that we had on inequalities. We can go back up for the, sorry, I clicked something different there. But all of this and these little things here are video clips, and they can just do practicing. So if they want to practice factorizing quadratics, they can just do it. Okay, click it. Do you want to do a certain number of questions, or just keep going until I say stop? Okay. They could do more, and this is being built all the time. Every time they're doing stuff, and then once you factorize, you can solve quadratics, and you can build up questions. So we can add in a few things. Do you know what? I want to do some exam practice on these things. So I'm going to add them. You can see they're being grouped at the bottom. So I can add them and then click, do some practice. Again, what do you want to do? Well, keep going until I say. And it will then put up some questions for the students to do. So here we are. This is solving a quadratic. So they can have to use pen and paper, and then they got to solve it. They're looking for things here by factorising at least. Multiply to make negative 18 and add to make 7. Okay, it's positive 9, it's negative 2. So my answers are negative 9 and positive 2. Okay, now they won't necessarily be able to get that right. They'll get it wrong. They can send us messages. Okay, the line y equals 5 crosses the line at the point L. Write down the coordinates. Well, this student thinks it's 2, 5 because they're not really caring. Okay, gives you that hint that something isn't up, something's not working. Maybe that's the right one. Oh no, I got it wrong. Okay. But up the top here, look at this. Get video help on this topic. Solving simultaneous equation. Dr. Frost himself running through some videos. You can pop over that. You can skip through.
Welcome to this video.
Okay, this is a long one. This is so all these videos are on YouTube. He's got a channel, DrFrostMaths. It's 25 minutes because he's doing lots of questions, and you can just click through and watch it and just do it. So it just supports the in-class work that we are doing. They then get explanation help outside of the classroom. If you're fed up with his voice, then you can put the subtitles on and you can just see as he starts to run through it. You're going to get the odd word that's wrong, of course. Okay. If you need it at all, then you might be able to switch them to another language possibly. I don't know on YouTube, but I know PowerPoint can do that. So there's lots of independent help where they can just practice and do extra work themselves, which we'd like to encourage them. So that was, and of course they could have ended this at any time. Go back up and they can just practice. So it's recognizing when there are issues, and then we can start to deal with it and do more ourselves and realize, okay, look, I don't understand this. I need help. I need to do more.